Welcome. Today I'm going to show you how to fix God of War Ragnarok's insufficient VRAM and DirectX 12 error. Or the first thing that you need to do here is to upgrade your graphics card. To run this game, your graphics card needs to be at least 6 gigabytes of VRAM. If the VRAM is lower than this, the insufficient VRAM error will appear. You can check the VRAM by using the following steps. Alright, press the Windows R combination, Windows plus R. Then type on the X diag, then hit OK. Alright, wait for it to load and go to display. Alright, as you can see here, I have the RTX 2060 Super and I have an 8 gig of VRAM. My computer doesn't have a problem running this game. Moving forward, you can also lower the game's graphics card by going to the in-game settings and hovering into the graphics or display settings to make sure that it is set to low and check if it helps. Other one here is to use the God of War Ragnarok mods, which is from Nexus mods, to bypass this particular error. Don't worry, I'll leave the mods link in the description. When you open it, you can go ahead and go to Files and select the graphics card that you have, then manually download. Now once you have it downloaded, go ahead and extract the files to the game directory. Now moving forward, you can also disable or uninstall third-party software or other software that you don't necessarily need. Also, you can turn off the Steam overlay. By doing so, open your Steam app, click on Steam on the top left corner of the screen, then go to Settings, then hover into In-Game, then disable the Steam overlay, and that is it. If you found this video helpful, leave a like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next one.